Apparently, Jacinta Ngobese is more knowledgeable than the president when it comes to immigration issues. Well, that's what she seems to think, because President Cyril Ramaphosa was having a speech yesterday talking about immigration, and he said one of the most important things that when it comes to illegal immigration, checking people's IDs, you as a private citizen, you are not allowed to check people's IDs, and you are not allowed to arrest people when it comes to immigration, because only Home Affairs, the police, Border Patrol, those are the only departments that can actually check people's IDs and arrest those people, because those are the people that have expertise that can tell if an ID is forged or it's an illegal ID or anything like that. They even have scanners where they can scan a person's ID, so a private citizen cannot do that. But Jacinta Ngobese doesn't seem to think that, because she's saying that a private citizen can make a citizen's arrest, but there are limitations to citizen's arrest, and the limitation is when it comes to illegal immigration and checking people's IDs.
Must make it clear that only the authorized government officials may act against violations of the law, including violations of our immigration laws. No other person is allowed, for example, to confront someone in the street, in the pathways of our country, to demand proof of identity.
But before I debunk what Jacinta Ngobese said, I need to quote her exactly on what she said, because on my side, I don't listen to this lady anymore, because when she speaks, it's either she's being disingenuous or she's straight up lying. But anyways, she's saying that, and I quote, "The government is trying to deal with the immigration issue without their people. And I can safely tell you, if they wanted to make sure that there's no violence, that the people are abiding by the laws when dealing with the immigration crisis, they should have formulated a plan that includes communities in getting rid of immigrants." And now here's the problem with what the president is saying. In Section 24 of the Immigration Act, in the Criminal Procedure Act, we are entitled to enforce citizens' arrest. The president cannot simply ignore and disown that. This is completely wrong. So I did a simple Google search. Can a private citizen actually do a citizen's arrest when it comes to a person if they're an illegal immigrant? And the results came out, and the results are saying no, it is not legal for a private citizen to conduct a citizen's arrest solely on the ground that someone is an undocumented immigrant or a legal foreigner in South Africa. So, Immigration Act limitations. According to the guidelines from the Scalabrini Center, only designated police officers or immigration officers from the Department of Home Affairs